In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and secure your Binance API key, an essential tool for those looking to automate their trading or connect their Binance account to third-party applications securely. Whether you are a seasoned trader or just starting, understanding how to properly set up and protect your API keys is crucial. So let's dive right into it. To start off, ensure you are logged into your Binance account. If you haven't done that yet, go ahead and log in. This is your gateway to accessing all the features and functionalities Binance offers, including the creation of API keys. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to the More section on your dashboard. This section provides a variety of additional functionalities beyond the basic trading options. It's a good place to explore other tools and settings that can enhance your trading experience. In the More section, look for the API Management button under the Others category. This is where you'll manage all API related activities, from creating keys to setting permissions. Tapping on this will guide you to the API Management page. When you arrive at the API Management page, your next step is to tap the Create API option. After selecting this, you'll be prompted to choose the type of API key you wish to create. This choice can impact how the API interacts with your account, so ensure you select the appropriate type that aligns with your intended usage. Afterward, tap Next. You'll be asked to enter a label or a name for your API key. This label helps identify the key later on, so make it something descriptive and easy for you to remember, especially if you plan to manage multiple keys. Moving on, you'll need to complete all the required verifications, including email, phone, and two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA. These layers of security are designed to protect your account from unauthorized access, making it crucial to have them enabled before proceeding. Once you've passed all verifications, you'll see your newly generated API key and secret key. Copy these keys immediately and store them in a safe place. A password manager is highly recommended. Avoid keeping these sensitive details on your phone's notes or any unsecured location, as they can be a gateway to your account if mishandled. Lastly, a crucial security tip to keep in mind: never share your API keys with anyone. Should your trading needs change and you find yourself no longer using a particular key, make sure to delete or disable it. By doing this, you'll effectively minimize the risks of unauthorized access to your account. And there you have it. You've successfully created and secured your Binance API key. By following these steps and precautions, you will maintain the integrity of your account and safely explore the functionalities that API keys enable. Thanks for watching and happy trading.